Drowning in tasks and deadlines? Let's transform that chaos into organized productivity with Trello. First, head to Trello.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your Trello homepage. Now, let's create our first board. Think of a board as your project's main hub. Click Create New Board. Give it a relevant name, like Website Redesign, and choose a background to visually identify it. Inside your board, you'll see lists. These represent stages in your workflow, like to do, doing, and done. You can easily rename these to fit your project's specific needs. Time to add tasks. Each task lives on a card. Click Add a card under a list. Type in a task description and press Enter. Click on the card to open it. Here, you can add a detailed description, assign team members by clicking Members, set a deadline using the due date feature, and even add attachments like files or images. The beauty of Trello lies in its visual progress tracking as you work on a task. Simply drag and drop its card from one list to the next, to do, to doing, and finally to done when it's complete. Trello offers a clear, visual overview of your project's status, keeping everyone on the same page. And that's how you use Trello for project management. For more Trello tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel.